5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Just cleaned out my car again, and I added, check this out, got some new wallpaper in here. Turn the lights on. Also got this nifty little lamp that I found. Bought this. I haven't been using it much. Thought I was gonna be using it all the time, but it'll be good for this video. It's rechargeable with the Android charger, which is really handy because I can charge it while I'm driving. But just use your car light. I mean, you're not gonna drain your battery by using it for an hour each night, especially if you're driving a lot. You're constantly charging your car battery up. So don't know why I'm giving advice about living in your car. No one else does it except me. So yeah, but check out this wallpaper. Tore apart my map. I have 2 of them. There's no reason for me to have 2 atlases and a GPS with 3 different map apps on it. It's absurd. But when your phone does die, they do come in handy. So I do have one functional one. Went to Voodoo Donuts today, and now they are on my wall forever. Check that out though, it's pretty cool. That might be my favorite part. This wall right here, that's home. Nashville, Tennessee. My home is right where the page is about to get torn. Right on the west side of Nashville. I don't know if you guys can see that. West side of Nashville. And then over here, I've had this one piece of wallpaper for a while. The unexpected enemy of justice and mercy. I'm honestly not even sure what that means. Get out of my face. Check this out though. And then to the right of that is Canada, and to the left is British Columbia. So yeah, I'm feeling good. I mean, check out how clean this floor is. Like, life's good. Doing well. Oh yeah, I got a little snippet. Forgot Steve Martin, my father, right there. Love you, Dad. So yeah, doing pretty good. Feeling nice and clean. I got a shower filled with water in the back. I got this nice little setup where I use, check this out. I use this outlet converter right here. And at nighttime, I always sleep with white noise, which is like basically a fan at home. But when you're on, for a while, when I was sleeping in my car at the beginning, what I would do is I would listen to white noise on my phone that drains your battery. And another thing is, you can charge your phone battery in your car. Don't be scared to kill your car battery. You don't leave your car on, you leave it on accessory mode. And if you think about it, like the size of your car battery versus the size of your phone, like your phone is not going to drain your car. And so that's something else. I was thinking I needed a portable charger all the time. It's not true. Just when you're during nighttime, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different outlets, because I have a triple USB outlet right here. So yeah, and what I was saying about that outlet converter is it like makes a little fan noise. It's got a little cooler on it, little fan to cool it down, and it's nice to have that at night because it's calming. My mom left these little notes in my car before I left. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. That is true. End of my comfort zone is not very hard to find, in my opinion. Everyone has different comfort zones, but that's the big point of this trip, is to get out of my comfort zone. Pushing it. I am pushing it. Pushing it tonight, actually. I'm gonna go out and dance, and it's always a challenge to go out by myself. Always. Never gets easier. It's always super challenging and difficult, because when you're at home, when you're with your friends, with your crew, everything feels good. When you go out, all relaxed. When you go out by yourself, it's like, you can be a weirdo, you know? Everyone in the bar, like, especially if you're sober walking in, everyone, you know, in your head, you're just like, everyone's looking at me, blah, blah, blah. You can really play tricks on yourself. So yeah, this is definitely the end of my comfort zone. So that means I need to go do it. Peace out, guys.